Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to get every cosmetic in Gtag. Now, I'll talk about some more details about this whole metadata thing later in the video, but now I'm just going to teach you how to get it. So first up, you want to go into your browser, okay? And you have to be signed into Discord, okay? So once you're in Discord, I'll leave a link in description for the AA Services Discord server. But yeah, once you're in, join, go to Gorilla Tag Metadata, go to download, and then there's a global metadata.dat. What you want to do is download that. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to. But anyways, once you have that downloaded, just download it once. You want to go to a new tab. You want to search up Z Archiver. Okay. Now, Z Archiver is how, you get certain things. Like, it's kind of like CX File Explorer, but it's a lot different. So, just click on the Softonic APK and download it from here. You also want to do the same, not the same actually, but Shizuku. So, just search up Shizuku, okay? Instead of clicking Softonic thing, click on Shizuku from Rika Apps, go to download, GitHub release, so it'll bring you to this. So you want to download this release APK on 13.6.0, and then you want to scroll down, go to page 3 if I'm correct, and then 11.6.0, you want to click on the assets, and then you want to click on the release APK right here. Okay. Then I'm just going to close out of these. You want to go to a new tab again, and you want to search up Lightning Launcher. Okay. Now, you might want to use Activity Launcher depending on like what update your quest is in. But for me, Activity Launcher does not work for this, so I'm going to use Lightning Launcher. But for Lightning Launcher, you want to download not that one. This APK right here from up to down. All of these don't work for some reason, except for this one. So that one works, okay? Now, once you're done with all that, you want to go to your library, okay? And you want to install them. Now, if you have Mobile VR Station and it's not patched yet for you, I'd recommend using that. But if Mobile VR Station is patched already, and you don't have any unknown sources like CX File Explorer already, then I recommend downloading N-Explorer VR File Manager. Okay, once you're here, go to Downloads, and basically, let's start off with Lightning Launcher. You want to click it, and then it'll bring you to this, your downloads. So you want to click on it, and then click Install. I already have it, but yeah, and then you want to do the same for let me find it. Shizuku 11.6.0 and Z Archiver. Only download the Shizuku 11.6.0 because we're going to need the 13.6.0 later in the video. Alright, once you have all those downloaded, you can close out of that. You want to go to your unknown sources, and right here, there's going to be a bunch of stuff. So, I'm just going to close out of that so far. And so right now, I'm just going to open Z Archiver, Shizuku, and I'm also going to open up Lightning Launcher. Okay? So I'm just going to move that up there, and let me open up Shizuku again, there. So, it's going to look different for you. So, this right here is going to be like right here, and it's going to say pairing. What you want to do is you want to click that. Actually, before you click it, just stay on the same page you are on right now. And once you're on, go to Lightning Launcher, alright? And there's going to be Android settings. Click the 3 lines, and then click this, Android app info. Then click open, and then you'll be on the actual settings thing. Now, I'm going to blur a lot of this out because I can't show y'all my address and all that. Yeah. So, go to About Headset, scroll all the way down to build number and just click it 10 times and you'll be a developer, or a certain amount of times. Just keep clicking it for like 20 times, maybe a whole minute, I don't know. But once it says you're a developer, exit out of About Headset, go to System, go to Developer Options, and scroll down until you see USB debugging and wireless debugging. You want to turn on wireless debugging, okay, allow, and then it's gonna have a lot of stuff. It's gonna say pair device with QR code. Just don't worry about that. Go to pair device with pairing code. Click on that, and then I'm just gonna. Oh, actually, you can close out a Lightning launcher once you're at this page right here. But then you want to have Shizuku open too at the same time this is open, and you want to go to pairing, and then you want to type in this code right here on your screen. Okay. So it's gonna be, yeah, under Wi-Fi pairing code, there should be a code. If there isn't, I don't know what to do then. Alright? Once you do that, just click start, and then it'll be stuck on a screen. Now to update it, you'll have to go to downloads on ZArchiver, and you want to find the the 13.6.0 and update Shizuku to that while you're in the menu loading screen after you press start. And then it'll like close out of the Shizuku coding page. It'll bring you to this new UI one, I think. Actually, this will still be here, but you'll have to click start, and then it'll work, okay? But now, this is where ZArchiver comes in. What you want to do is you want to just bring it down here if you want to make your life easier. Now, go to settings, go to root, and you want to, instead of SU, you want to click this and change it to Shizuku/SUI. Okay? Now, you want to enable all of these right here. After you enabled all those, go back from settings, go to downloads, and the global metadata.dat, hold that down and press copy. Now, you want to go to device storage, Android, data, com.anotheraxiom.gorilla tag, files, IL2CPP, metadata, and then you want to paste it in here by pressing this paste button. Then, you want to apply to all files and then replace. I'm just going to cancel that since I already have a metadata. But yeah, that is how you get metadata. Now, here is the tricky part. So, it's self-hosted by NotFishVR, and it sometimes if you don't have it and it brings you to the terms of service screen, don't worry, okay? Don't do anything. You will have to wait because the metadata is going to be down. It says yeah, I don't know. Anyways, go to info. Whatever. Oh yeah, right here. Go to mods and rules and guides. Cosmetic X host status. So it'll bring you to this bot thing. You might be wondering, why does it say that? I'll say that in a minute. Alright. So Cosmetic X metadata. What is this? This is when it'll be online or off, or be offline, and when it will be back up. So right now the Cosmetic X is offline. I do have proof, but anyways, it will change during the data offline to online again. It was online today, a while ago, but it's self-hosted by NotFishVR, and he cannot host it, 24/7. It has to be hosted on his computer or something like that. I'm not sure, but anyways, once you do that, if it is online, it probably won't be. I mean, maybe it will, I don't know. But you will want to join Gorilla Tag, and yeah, your cosmetics will take a while to load. If they just don't load, that means you did it right. But if the terms of service screen comes up, that means you did it right, but like the Cosmetic X thing is offline. Like right now, the terms of service screen came up. I did it right, but it's just not online right now. By the way, if the terms of service screen doesn't come up and you have all your cosmetics, only the people with the exact same metadata can see your cosmetics. And that's it. So, yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. Yeah. I'll see you all in the next video, and bye.